Okay guys, welcome to MK Bros, and today we're going to be doing another video of the Advent calendar.
So make sure you like and subscribe, click that big bell so you get notified when we do every video. Let's get straight into it. Okay, let's go. Why is it so...
Okay, so these are my players.
Okay, so first I've got the Crystal Palace bag.
Then I got these. I got 5 players here, and then Chevley, Ronaldo, Keane, Maripia, and Tompkins. They're my 5 done.
Okay, so I've got Kepa, Chelsea goalkeeper. I've got Jordan Pickford, fan favourite. Got Mas Yuka. And then we got Stephen Davis. So put in the comments what is your favourite card. And then
who's your favourite?
Him.
Favourite 2?
The 2 goalkeepers, Caden, from your pile.
I have none.
What does Ronaldo? You don't like Ronaldo? You're weird. What are you doing? These are my 2 goalkeepers.
These are my 2. 4, actually.
Okay, now let's update the binder. Let's move this out of the way a bit.
Mr. Bean?
Okay,
Sorry, Mr. Bean.
Any Bournemouth players? No. No Arsenal players? No. Wait, Caden, wait. Burnley? No. Cardiff? No. Chelsea? Duplicate. Wait, what number? Oh, we've already got it. Everton, Caden, oh, he's a duplicate. Fulham, that's Newcastle. Huddersfield, Leicester. Wait, Everton, we gotta go back to Everton. 128, there we go.
Why did this come out?
Okay, let's go back. And I swear a plane just flew. Man United, Newcastle, where is he? Okay, then you got to put him in if he's not a duplicate. Oh, he's a duplicate.
He did duplicate.
Duplicate, Tottenham, no. Watford, that was your player. What number is he? Look there. There, Caden.
I am.
Mr. B.
Jingle bell buttons first. Robin flew away.
231 there. And then I'm just going to check that top
Robin.
if top all the way. King's duplicate. And I think he is. Yes, he is. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. It's a very short one. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Hope you click that button.